Hello everyone, and welcome to Suprise Arizona. In this video tour, I will show you some of the points of interest and things to do in the city, such as art galleries, a 5-acre urban fishing lake, golf courses, restaurants, aquatic centers, spring break ball fields, and so much more. Suprise is a city in Maricopa County in the U.S. state of Arizona. It is located 40 minutes northwest from downtown Phoenix. It's bounded by the beautiful Sonoran Desert and Lake Pleasant Regional Park to the north and White Tank Mountain Range to the west. This is Suprise Lake, located at Suprise Community Park. This park is filled with something for everyone. Large tennis and pickleball courts, nice basketball courts, a huge playground, restrooms, lots of barbecue areas, dog park, and more. This is the Suprise Tennis and Racquetball Complex. They say that it is one of the largest tennis complexes in the Southwest. It has 25 tennis courts, all of which feature lights for night play, and 2 racquetball courts. This facility hosts professional tournaments and is a partner of the USTA. The complex is open 7 days a week. In 2009, the complex was chosen as the site for the Fed Cup quarterfinal between the US and Argentina. This amazing 23,000 square foot library, located in the Suprise Recreation Campus, has a wonderful collection of over 40,000 items in all formats and offers over 60 internet accessible computers throughout the building. The facility also features a special teen area, newspapers, magazines, a popular bestseller browsing section, and a comfortable reading area with amazing views of the lake and the park included in the recreation complex. This is Veterans Reflection Circle. Elements of plant life and water are woven into a tranquil seating area and circular path. The memorial pays tribute to Brian Scott Mancini, a medically retired sergeant, and his legacy by telling his story and providing a place for veterans to reflect, find healing, and feel the community's deep appreciation for their service and sacrifice. The Suprise Aquatics Center is an outdoor swimming spot with a competition pool, 2 slides, vortex whirlpool, diving boards, plus a zero-depth area and water play features for the kids. Suprise Stadium is a baseball venue located at the Suprise Recreational Campus Athletic Facility. The stadium opened in 2002 and seats 10,714 people. It is the spring training facility for the Texas Rangers and the Kansas City Royals. There are 9 golf courses in Suprise. There are also another 56 golf courses within 20 miles of Suprise, including 45 public, 3 municipal, 2 P&L, and 6 private courses. This is the West Valley Arts Council and Arts HQ Gallery. It is located in the heart of Suprise, close to Suprise City Hall. It consists of 2,500 square feet of indoor gallery space, plus an outdoor courtyard. For more information, I will leave a link in the video description below. These spaces allow for arts and cultural events and can easily be adapted to meet various visual and performance requirements. It is a gathering place for artistic information and serves as an official headquarters for arts and cultural information for the region's visitors and residents. At the time of my visit, I was fortunate to meet Xavier, one of the local artists delivering his artwork to be displayed in the gallery. The large paintings on the bottom are his work. I will leave his information in the video description below. This city has changed so much in the last 30 years. Tens of thousands of retirees have moved to the city in the 1990s and early 2000s to live in the Sun City Grand area. Surprise is about 5 miles northwest of Del Webb's original Sun City development and adjacent to Sun City West. To accommodate this growth, there are lots of restaurants, businesses, and medical facilities to be found. It is still growing very fast. I see new construction everywhere. I hope that you have enjoyed this driving and walking tour of Surprise, Arizona. See you in the next video.